Good morning, friends. Again, welcome back to our online English class. In our last period, we have seen the most important topic of our writing skill: view, counter view. Okay, and in that video, I promised you to explain an example related with the topic view, counter view. So here is our question. Let us try to discuss it. How can we prepare the answer then? Okay. The question is asked just like this. Prepare a paragraph with an appropriate title to be used for the counter view section on the following topic in about 20 words. Okay. So view section is provided to you and some points are given under the headline, under the title. So the issue, the subject is internet use should be banned for students. Okay, internet use should be banned for students, and the given points are causes, internet causes distractions while studying and learning. Second one, students becomes addictive to social media, instigates to get involved in wrong acts. Then blocks creative thinking, internet blocks creative thinking. Last one, it lands in a dangerous situation to the students. Okay, so this is the view section. As I said yesterday, some students used to make blunder mistake that they describe these points only. Okay, so let me clear first. This is the given points to you and we have to counter view it. We have to write the opposite thing, opposite ideas based on this view section. Okay, as you can find here, internet use should be banned for students. So let us try to think about the headline first of the counter view section that you are going to write now. Internet use should be banned for students. Okay, so let us think about another perspective of the same subject, another side of the same subject. So we can say that internet is the boon for students. Okay, so that will be the opposing title of this subject. Internet use should be banned or internet is the boon for students. Internet proves to be boon for the students of modern era. So let us try to counter view every point, given point. First of all, it is said that in the view section, internet causes distractions while studying and learning. Friends, as you know, we can write now in the form of paragraphs. Okay. So, first of all, you can explain the title. Okay. So, every innovation has many perspectives. As you know, every new innovation has many perspectives. There are some bright sides and some dark sides of everything, every subject, every new innovation. Okay. So, as you know, there are two sides of every coin. There are two sides for each and every subject also. So, internet is not the exception for this rule. Internet has also some bright side as well as some dark side. So, we cannot blame internet for its misuse. Internet is the new innovation and it is totally depend on the receiver how we can use it. It is a boon for the students. So that doesn't mean that we must ban it. Though it has dark side, though it is misused by some users, that doesn't mean that we are going to ban it. Actually, this is internet is the boon for students. And how? First of all, due to the use of internet, as you know, students can get each and every type of knowledge. Actually, internet opens a big world of knowledge for them. This is the first benefit of internet. Okay. As you know, the traditional education system is somewhat, we can say, in the that has many drawbacks also. That is within limitations that has been learned or taught in a certain limited perspectives. But internet has brought the democracy in the sector of knowledge. Students can get each and every type of knowledge as they want, as per their desire. Okay. Secondly, internet cannot make students addictive. Actually, there are so many other things also which can distract the students on their motto, on their aim. Okay, so the addiction is not depend on the media. That totally depend on the receiver or the giver. So how we can receive this, that is most important. Then it is also said that it blocks creative thinking. Actually, according to many scientists or many researchers, internet can develop or flourish your imagination power. Okay. You can find anything, everything, you can imagine anything, everything, and there is no, we can say, limitation for this imagination power. New horizons can be found by the internet for you. People can use it and people can get the whole world in their front. This is the benefit of internet. It is also said that it lands us in a dangerous situation, as there may be some physical effect also. But we can, or the parents can teach their children how to use the internet. Okay, they must regularize their children. They must ban internet use for some time. So these are some points. We can counter-attack the given viewpoint in our counter-view section. This is how can we prepare the counter-view part. So first of all, we should have to give the title, appropriate opposite title, and then you can counter-attack all the given points in the view section. In this way, you can grab all 4 marks of this question, view, counter view. Okay, so practice it as much as you can in the home, because this question needs very much practice. Mind it again. I am again and again requesting you to practice this question at home, and then you can get the clear-cut idea, crystal clear idea that how we can prepare the answer of this question. If you are facing any problem while dealing with the answer of this question, you can personally meet me, you can contact me. So I am available there for you. Thank you.